My name is Ilya and I'm going to prepare with you one of the nice and elegant desserts and kind of unusual one. The strawberry is going to be sauteed. Ooh. We start with the brioche, I already cut it. And what I have here, I have little chocolate tablets and I'm kind of stuffing them just like that inside, kind of vertical, pushing them through gently. I do two. Basically one will be enough for a presentation, but I will do in case the second one. And what I do is that I'm starting a caramel. So here I have a frying pan. I put some sugar and high heat over here. So I do not add any liquids. This sugar is just burning directly over high heat. And I'm waiting until all the bits gone and sugar become liquid, running. You definitely understand how high the temperature there is. Very high. When the color is right, and to me the color reminds a cognac color kind of, so at this moment I add a little bit of butter and I lower the heat. And when butter melted, I'm adding a little bit of cream, just a little bit, and I'm switching off. And right in there, I am plunging my brioche, just like this, on a low heat. Now, I'm removing it on the paper. Next step is I'm preparing a Chantilly cream. For that I'm taking some cream. I'm adding a little bit of vanilla and I have a little bit of sugar here and I'm gently whipping it up with a little bit of port wine in there. Just a splash. While that beating up, I'm working with strawberries. I'm taking off the green part. Now I cut them vertically, just like that. I have this wonderful mint to be chopped. As you can see, not too much. We don't want to overpower. We want them be in harmony together. The final moment of that dish is going to happen over here. I'm going to saute strawberries over high heat with a little bit of butter. The pan is rather hot, as you see. And right away, I'm adding the strawberries. I'm adding a little bit of sugar. I'm sauteing them and a little bit of mint. And a little bit of port wine. And actually they are quite done. I feel that they stopped resisting the knife. And basically we're ready to serve. Here we go. Enjoy.